I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Genymotion Desktop plus VirtualBox and Android Studio with matching SDK platforms. Once installed, sign into Genymotion and download a virtual device image that matches your target API level. Make sure Android Studio's SDK path is correct in Genymotion settings, so the emulator and IDE share the same tools. Then create the virtual device in Genymotion and power it on. This is the first actionable step that gets your virtual device running and ready to connect. Next, integrate Genymotion into Android Studio by installing the Genymotion plugin from Plugin Settings, then restart the IDE. Once done, open Genymotion Settings and point the ADB executable to Android SDK platform tools, so both tools use the same ADB. Start your Genymotion virtual device and wait for it to fully boot. Make sure it appears in a DB devices. This lets you select the Genymotion emulator as a deployment target in Run configurations and deploy your APK directly from Android Studio. To finish, choose the Genymotion device in Android Studio's Run configuration and click Run to deploy your app. Watch Logcat to confirm startup and permissions. You can also drag and drop an APK into the running Genymotion window for quick tests. Once done, use snapshots to save clean states and speed future tests. If the device does not appear, a common fix is to restart ADB with a DB kill server and a DB start server. Then repoint Genymotion to the correct SDK platform tools to restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.